Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. In this video, we'll show how to use the NordPass Password Generator. Let's get started. Password Generator is a NordPass feature that generates strong, complex, and unique passwords. If your organization has a company-wide password policy in place, the Password Generator will follow it, ensuring all generated passwords meet those requirements. This means any filters you select or adjust, such as password length and the usage of capital letters, digits, and symbols, will be applied within the policy's constraints. For example, if the policy requires passwords to be at least 13 characters long, you won't be able to set a filter for a 10-character password. Once you set up your password requirements, you can generate as many passwords as you need and easily copy the generated password for immediate use. If your copied password expires due to the Clear Copied Item Data settings, you can access the Password Generator history to view and copy recently generated passwords. You can also save a password item directly in NordPass. When creating a new account or changing a password, NordPass Password Generator will suggest a password. If you don't see the Password Generator suggestion, you can find it by opening the NordPass extension and going to the Tools section. You can also use NordPass Password Generator on your mobile device. Let's see how it works. Open the NordPass app on your mobile device and go to the Tools section. Just like on the desktop version, you can adjust password requirements. However, you can generate passwords on mobile devices using words, not just letters, digits, and symbols. Note that to use a newly generated password on your mobile device, you need to open NordPass, generate the password, and then copy it to the website. The rest of the Password Generator functions similarly to the desktop version. Great! You now know how to use NordPass Password Generator. If you have any questions about this topic or NordPass in general, please get in touch with our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.